Hey YouTube family, just a friendly reminder, if you do like content like this that is free, educational, and not being hidden behind a paywall, consider subscribing to my channel. Alright guys, let's get into this.
Keep your eye on Apple today, along with Amazon. Morgan Stanley's Katie Huberty, Jim, says the 12 is tracking ahead, looking for a record quarter in December. 5% above consensus on earnings, and bull case 200, their target's 152.
That was such a good report. Remember, she does always have the inside track, I find. And one of the things I really liked about it is she's talking about you're getting a kind of a low ball. She's saying solid but not great December results. That's what I want to see. I want to see everything tempered. And that allows them to do well. They got a 5 to 7% ahead of the consensus. Obviously, you're talking about just a huge number of phones being sold, wearables. I mean, people are talking about the glasses, too. I think that's Strauss. But when Katie Huberty goes in and gives her that price target and raises, she takes her price target so seriously. Right? We should all tell people at home. Most of these people just it's like throwing darts on price targets. She goes from 144 to 152, and I think that was just incredible.
Hey guys, welcome back. So why am I super bullish on Apple right now? It's a company I could have bought in a long time ago, but right now is the day that I'm buying it because I think Apple has a ton of potential in the short term, but also in the long term, and I'll explain. As Jim mentioned, the earnings report for Apple is set to come out at, I believe, the 27th. Yes, the 27th after hours. So expect a lot of volatility after market. And as Jim mentioned, the Morgan Stanley Katie Huberty has even risen the views of the company's performance of late last year. She expects the company to post fiscal first quarter revenue of $108 billion. Holy crap. Driven by strong iPhone 12 sales, and she boosted her price target on Apple stock to $152 from $144. Ahead of Wednesday's report, Huberty also expects record earnings per share of $1.50, above from $1.41 that analysts surveyed in FactSet are projecting. This is awesome, great short-term news, but it's not just Katie that's risen her strike price or her share price. The last few research notes coming from Wall Street have been mostly upbeat about Apple's prospects in the new year. RBC Capital Robert Mueller was the most recent one to reiterate his buy on the stock and his price target of $145 per share. Even better than that, a couple of experts have raised their targets on Apple's ahead of earnings. This was the case of Loop Capital analyst Amanda Barua, whose fair value estimate increased from $131 to $155 a piece, pointing out a 20% upside on the back of a really big year for the iPhone and Mac. A huge reason why I'm super bullish on Apple is because of the brand loyalty. As we may know, most of the people that we know, or ourselves maybe, have Apple products, whether it be phones, headphones, or use their services like Apple Streaming. And Apple has a cult-like following, and I think this could be a huge driver. And the reason that I think that this could be a huge driver in the future is, if you guys are not aware, Apple is working on an Apple Car or an iCar. The rumors of the long-fabled Apple Car have continued to surface, and now reports claim that the production has been handed off to Kia. Originally, Korean car firm Hyundai was set to do the front runner for Apple Car production, but according to Korean site eDaily, it'll be Kia doing all the work. More to the point, it seems the company has plans to build the Apple Car in its Georgia plant. But yeah guys, everything in this video is just my opinion. You guys should always do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. But what about you guys? Are you guys buying Apple? I mean, Apple has a lot of products. Earbuds, watches, phones, streaming services. I think this is one of those stocks that you just can't miss no matter how hard you try. And for that reason, I'm loading up the boat. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.